Hi, welcome back to Marina Teaches for another entrepreneurship video. Today we will be learning about the 10 myths of e-commerce. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. When I think about e-commerce, I think easy, quick, convenient, credit cards, online shopping. What about you? Make a list of your myths and see how many of them are the same as the next 10 myths that I will be explaining. Myth number 1. Build and they will come. So wait, don't tell me that you thought all you had to do was launch a site and people will automatically find you, or that customers will just flock to it. No, it doesn't work that way. Do you know why? Because with hundreds of millions of websites, the chances of someone just stumbling upon your website is like finding a needle in a haystack. After setting up your website, you still need to drive your customers to it. Just as with a regular business, you still have to find ways to let people know that you exist. Through advertising, social media promotions, and even using QR codes which allow digital users just to click the code to reach your website. Myth number 2 is that your online customers are easy to please. If a customer is not pleased, the cost of switching is relatively low. After all, competitors are only one click away, and trust me, you do not want to lose customers to your competitors. So, e-commerce businesses must improve and update their websites regularly to attract and retain customers. Generally, websites must be simple to navigate, secure, and provide quick access to blogs and product information. Customers also want to be satisfied with the order processing and order fulfillment, as negative customer reviews can really dampen your success. The more positive reviews, the better. Our third myth is that making money is so easy. Yes, there are many entrepreneurs who are making a lot of money online, but doing so takes time, money, and hard work. Online success is not what you wish for, but what you work for. Any business, whether online or traditional, can be profitable with an effective business strategy which directly targets its niche. Similarly, attracting and retaining customers to your physical location and especially to your website requires a sound marketing plan, adding value and providing superior customer service. So what then makes online businesses so successful? Successful e-commerce ventures attribute their profitability to increasing their social media presence, including frequently asked question pages on their websites, providing email confirmation, shipping notices, and visible contact information, as well as efficient responses to all queries. That is a lot of work. Do you still find that making money online is easy? While it may not be easy, it can be very worthwhile. Myth number 4. Privacy is not important. Trust is the foundation on which any long-term relationship with customers is built. Customers need to be assured that conducting transactions with a company over the internet is secure. That's why when companies collect information from their customers, it is their responsibility to safeguard their customers' privacy, protect sensitive information, and use it responsibly. Companies should also use software tools to keep their website free from spyware and malware, and most importantly, display their privacy policy very visibly on their website. If you are purchasing from a website, make sure to look for the locked padlock which certifies that shopping online is secure. Oh, privacy is everybody's business. Ventures who engage in e-commerce must be mindful about the rise in cyber crimes such as the invasion of privacy, identity theft, and fraud. They have a duty of care to protect their customers from being exploited. Myth number 5. All you need is a website. As soon as you get your website up, you're good to go. Some businesses may be tempted to say, just give me a website and the rest will sort itself out. Sure, you need a website to engage in e-commerce, but customers are more interested in the value proposition of your company behind the website. Online businesses still need to build their brand, as this differentiates them from competitors. Surely, a well-designed website helps with that, but it is only part of the overall strategy to attracting and retaining customers. Who you are makes a difference. All you need is technology, right? Wrong! That takes us to myth number 6. Being in the know about technology can certainly be a superpower, but it is more important to build a sustainable business model that creates value for customers while producing a positive rate of return. Successful e-businesses are able to transform all they know about their industry and what it takes to succeed and meet their customers' needs, and then incorporate technology, not the other way around. Myth number 7. Customer service is not as important for online stores. I have no idea why this is even a myth in the first place, because obviously all businesses should make sure that their customers are treated very well and that they are satisfied with the goods and services for which they are paying. That's why customers' complaints should be dealt with promptly. Did you know that approximately 75% of online shoppers abandon their shopping carts without checking out? Clearly, there's a lot of work that needs to be done in this area if 3 out of 4 customers walk away without completing the transactions. Businesses which engage in e-commerce activities must make customer service more of a priority. Even if that means outsourcing a customer service center or call center, creating simple, clear return policies, allowing customers to track orders, and even offering the opportunity for customers to speak with a live agent. Myth number 8. The more bling a website has, the better. Some companies believe that in order to stand out online, their website should be colorful and flashy with fancy graphics, videos, icons, and music. In truth, all of that razzle dazzle and sparkle can be overwhelming and distracting. It may even cause the website to take too long to load. This results in customers just moving along. When it comes to websites, less is best. A simple, tastefully and attractively designed interface that is tailored for your specific audience and is easy to navigate is more effective. It allows customers to find what they are looking for quickly. Myth number 9. It's too late for e-commerce. New to e-commerce? Trust me, you didn't miss the boat. Hey, even if a company is now venturing into e-commerce activities, it's not too late. In fact, if you haven't, now is the time to start. If entrepreneurs are at a crossroads and they think they're not ready for e-commerce activities, they shouldn't stay stuck. Many delay starting because of fear that everything isn't perfect. However, businesses can research and learn best practices from other successful e-commerce ventures and then begin. There is no such thing as a perfect moment to start. They should start now and perfect as they go along. Successful e-commerce websites are not created as a one-and-done deal. In fact, they are constantly evolving to reflect changing seasons and current trends. as they continue to analyze their customers' behaviors and preferences. They are constantly adding, removing, and improving. Myth number 10. E-commerce is a fad and it will go away soon. Day 20. There may have been those skeptics who would have believed that e-commerce was just a fad. But the world is changing. Since the COVID-19 pandemic, many companies had no choice but to go online in order to survive. There's no time like the present to work from anywhere at any time. There are limitless possibilities for e-commerce and there's no going back to the way things used to be. What an exciting time for e-commerce! Myths that we learned about in this short video. 1. Build and they will come. Many persons believe that when you create a website, customers will automatically flock to it. Number 2. Online customers are easy to please. 3. Making money is easy. 4. Privacy is not important. 5. All you need is a website. 6. All you need is technology. 7. Customer service is not important. 8. Flashy websites are better. 9. It's too late to start. 10. E-commerce is just a fad. Hopefully, this video helps clear up some common misconceptions about e-commerce. If you have any more, feel free to type them in the description box down below. This brings us to the end of another tutorial. Don't forget to like, share this video, and subscribe to Marina Teaches for more entrepreneurship videos.